They cost thousands of dollars. More gas consumption. Will these Canadian wildfires damage your car? Is it true that it could cost you thousands of dollars in repairs? For the past several weeks, there were more than 500 wildfires, most of them uncontrolled, and these fires are sending smoke to us here in the US, polluting our air and creating a record level of emissions. This low-quality air is very unhealthy for the human body, and authorities urge people not to go outside for a long period of time. But do these extreme conditions affect your car? Let me explain something first. The engine in your car needs fuel and air for the combustion inside the engine, and the air has to go through the filter before it reaches the engine to keep the engine clean from dust and dirt. In these extreme polluted air and hazy conditions, keep in mind that your engine sucks a lot of air, and the air filter will work extra compared to normal weather. So it will get clogged much faster, and that will lead to few things. First, more gas consumption. Second, reduced engine power. Third, and this is very important one to me, a dirty air filter will ruin your catalytic converter, because if the engine doesn't get enough airflow, it will start dumping more fuel, and the extra fuel will get the catalytic converter clogged 1, 2, 3. And guys, cats are not cheap anymore. Actually, they always been expensive. But after we got hit by COVID, then supply chain issues, then the inflation, and on top of that, the war on Ukraine, these things got doubled and tripled in price recently. They cost thousands of dollars, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, just for the part if you want the OEM part. You have the option to use aftermarket cat. They are not cheap, but significantly cheaper than OEM. But let me tell you something first. These aftermarket cats don't have enough platinum compared to OEM converters, and because of that, they don't last long. On average, I would say they last between 6 months and 1 year, maybe a little longer, then the check engine light will come on. While the OEM catalytic converter, if you do the routine maintenance by the book, it should last the life of the car. So let's save your catalytic converter. All you have to do is change the air filter earlier this time, if you are one of the cities that got affected by the wildfires. So if you change it every year, this time change it after 6 months. And don't forget to change the cabin air filter as well, so you can breathe fresh and clean air when you turn the AC on. And when you use the AC, make sure to use the circulation mode to cycle the clean air inside the car. Air filter and cabin air filter cost on average less than $100 for both of them. And that's it. Other than that, don't worry. Cars can handle extremely polluted air and smoke or whatever objects in the air. No problem. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.